Hi guys, today we're going to learn on how to create a folder in Kali Linux. We're gonna use two methods. There is one like in Windows. So in Windows, what we do, we click here and say create folder. So we create a folder, give it a name. You can say my folder, I'm gonna call it Musa, then say create. So it's exactly that what we do in Windows. So this folder, if you want to delete, you can click move to trash, but in Windows we can move to recycle bin or delete and stuff like that. Okay, we're gonna remove this guy. So then what we do here, we can click on terminal. Then to create a folder in Kali Linux, we don't need this, but I'm gonna show you this anyway. cd okay, no, leave that. We're gonna say mk, which means make dir directory, then space, then you name your folder. So I'm gonna say my folder is gonna say MyFolder. So after that, then I'll hit enter and say tip. So that folder is what is created. So let's check if the folder is there. You can click on any folder to make things easier for you. You go and find a folder called home. When you click on home, you can find this is the folder called MyFolder. So since we've created that folder, we want to delete that folder. You will see this folder disappear if I do a command. So basically Linux, they don't much use of the click and what, so they normally use your commands. So we're gonna delete that. We say rm, which means remove dir. So space, we say MyFolder, the exact folder we want to delete. So you hit enter and say enter. You see that folder is disappeared. I think you can see it's not more there, but we can go to trash. You can find everything which I deleted. I deleted this guy and also deleted this guy, but what we delete now is called MyFolder. So we have to look for that guy. I wonder why is it not here. I think it deleted that 100%, so it's no way to be seen. But I'm gonna do what, I'm gonna empty this trash. Are you sure you want to say? I'm gonna do yes, I've emptied that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna we're gonna create another folder, which we're gonna say mk dir and save this folder. So before we hit enter, we have to click here and see if what we're gonna do is gonna be there. So we go to home and see if it's gonna create that folder. So after that, we hit enter, so that folder should be there. So we scroll down. Yes, this folder is here. So we're gonna delete that folder. So let me do this. Say rm, don't forget our rm dir, it means remove directory, this folder. Hit enter. That this guy is gonna disappear. So hit enter, so it disappeared. So let's go to trash. If it's there's nothing. So it means if you remove, simply means it doesn't go in trash. So but if I create a folder here and say me and say create, I've created it on desktop, this guy. So but if I remove this guy and say move to, so it comes into trash. So if you wanna restore, you do the same thing like in Windows. You restore, So but if you delete here, if you say rm, it removes the folder permanently, so you never see that folder again. So but if you just say move to trash here, then it's gonna bring it here. But if you delete using your remove it using your command line, so you'll never see that folder again. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe. That was our end of the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Bye bye.